Okay, so hopefully this works. This is my circuit for the WETbot. As you can see, it's my second version of the circuit. We have 3 servos on each side. Those would be the side arms. This is the distance sensor. This is a light bulb that will act as the camera. These LEDs on the side will act as the water heads. This will be the IR remote to control everything. These are the 2 gear DC motors to control the wheels. The code will function as follows. I'll start the simulation. Here are all of the initialized variables. Here's where I set up everything, begin the serial begin, make all the pin modes, attach all the servos. Here's where I get the arms and movement to be their default. And now I will check for input. There has been none so far. Currently the arms are in their folded up state. Now, if there is a distance, which there is, as you can see here, the get distance will check it, and if it is less than 50 inches, which it currently is not, then the light bulb here, the camera, will be turned on, as you can see here. If it is more than, then it will be turned off. Now, if the value is equal to 21, the 5 button, the arms will be set up to go. The arms are set to be turned high. Yeah, arms are out, sorry. Kept misreading that. Out, the head is at a 0-degree angle, so basically the arms will be as far as they can watering the ground directly. If the value is 2, then the arms will set to be as tall as they can. Heads will be 45-degree angle to water outward. If I press EQ, the arms will fold themselves up. If I press the volume forward button, as long as there is nothing within 2 inches, the gears will go forward. As you can see here, when I have something within 2 inches, the gears will stop moving. But when there's something more than 2 inches, the gears will turn back on. This is to demonstrate the ability to kind of self-guide itself, if you will. This fast forward button here will turn it right. As you can see by this going negative and this going positive. This will turn it left, and this will have it back up. Now if I use this, this will stop all movement. The up arrow right here will have the watering start, and if I press the down arrow, the watering will stop. And if I press anything else, things will set up to a default of folded up arms, no movement, and no watering. These are controlled by the move method here, which takes the values required and puts them into in value for the wheels. Arms, which takes these values and puts them into the arm rotations, and watering, which gives value for the LED light. This is the code for getting distance, and that should be everything.